Morning chaps, today we're going to do some more mods on the Mazda, today I'm going to try and cut the cat off it and see if we can straight pipe it. Welcome to underneath the RX8. So this is the cat, this bit here, this long pipe with the sensor on the side of it. So I've already tried to take these bolts out, it's not working. So we'll get the plasma cutter, which is sitting over there in its trolley. We'll get it out. There's its cutter head. Get it stuck on the exhaust and chop out these nuts and bolts. Here is the said RX8 exhaust. Catalytic converter, this bit, lambda sensor. So I'm going to take the lambda sensor out first and then have a peek inside. Although it doesn't look too bad. I've got my lambda sensor removing socket tool, which slips over the wire and slides on there. Then you get your ratchet on and slacken it off. And this is a ratchet. Oh, look at that. It's not that bad, looks much the same as the other one, probably do with a clean. Oh, now I need a torch to see inside. Oh well, you can't see it, but the cat looks actually pretty clear. Yeah, there's still light coming through it. Right, now to make a straight pipe. And now I'm going to take this piece of rebar and I'm going to sharpen the point. And I'm going to smash out the inside of the cat. Let's do that. Okay, here's the Cat Smasher 5000. And as I'm smashing out a cat, I am going to be wearing my breathing apparatus, so I do not breathe in any of the cat gas. It's not good for you. Right, let's get smashing. Now all I have to do is tidy up all this. Probably worth a small fortune. Well, it's platinum and other strange metals. Well, we'll just tidy it up and put it in the bin. Well, exhaust refitted. New new bolts holding it back onto the manifold. O2 lambda sensor, well that's now the O2 sensor's new house, as the other one, well, it was so badly chewed we couldn't get the threads to go back in, so I've moved the O2 sensor to here and have cable tied the second O2 sensor up there. And if you don't tell it, I won't tell it because it's not bringing the light on yet. Decat, pipe, and then the rest of the exhaust has been removed for another project, which will be in another video.